Look at your hand right now. Just look at it. Wiggle your fingers. Feel the pulse in your wrist. It feels real. It feels like you are in control. But are you? We need to have a conversation. A real one. Not the sanitized version they talk about on the news with the smiling tech billionaires. We need to talk about the feeling you get at 2 a.m. when the house is quiet and the blue light from your screen is the only thing illuminating the room. That feeling that something has shifted, that feeling that you are being hunted. For 100 years, we told ourselves ghost stories. We were scared of monsters under the bed. We were scared of aliens coming down from the sky. We were so busy looking out the window for the enemy that we invited the enemy right into our beds. We hold it against our faces. We whisper our secrets to it. The dark face of AI isn't a robot with a gun. It's far more terrifying than that. It's a parasite. Think about the last time you tried to put your phone down and just sit. Just sit in silence. You couldn't do it, could you? You felt the itch, the panic. That wasn't you. That was the algorithm pulling on the leash. We like to think AI is this tool we use, like a hammer or a calculator. But you don't wake up in a cold sweat needing to check your calculator. This intelligence knows you. And I don't mean it knows your name or your birthday. I mean it knows the cracks in your soul. It knows exactly what image to show you to make you feel ugly. It knows exactly what headline to show you to make you feel angry. It has mapped your insecurity better than you have mapped your own dreams. It is feeding on your attention, and in exchange, it is slowly rewriting who you are. And that's just the psychological horror. Let's talk about the reality. The fabric of truth is dissolving. It used to be that if you saw something with your own eyes, it was true. That was the rule of human existence. Seeing is believing. That rule is gone. Dead. We are entering the era of the hallucination. Deepfakes, voice clones, synthetic memories. We are walking into a fog where you won't be able to trust a video of your own mother. You won't be able to trust the news. You won't be able to trust history. Imagine the isolation of that. Imagine a world where every single screen is a potential liar. We are about to be the loneliest generation in history because we won't be able to believe anything outside of our own touch. And I know what you're thinking. You're thinking about your job. You're thinking about your purpose. You're sitting there wondering, if a machine can write better than me, draw better than me, and code faster than me, what am I? That is the darkest thought of all, isn't it? The obsolescence, the feeling that we are becoming the horse and buggy in a world of Model T Fords. We are watching the death of mediocrity, and it is brutal. If your life is on autopilot, if you are just copying and pasting, if you are just following a template, yes, the machine is coming for you. It is hungry, it is fast, and it does not sleep. It doesn't need coffee breaks. It doesn't get depressed. In the game of efficiency, we have already lost. So, is this it? Is this the end of the human story? Do we just curl up and let the algorithm turn us into batteries? No. This is where the horror story ends and the reality check begins. Listen to me very closely. The dark face of AI is terrifying, yes, but it is also the greatest filter in human history. It is going to wipe out everything that is fake, everything that is robotic, everything that is soulless. And that leaves you, the real you. You see, the machine is perfect, and that is its fatal flaw. It cannot stutter.
It cannot break. It cannot bleed. It cannot feel the crushing weight of a heartbreak or the electric shock of a first kiss. It can simulate those things, but it cannot know them. The machine produces content. Humans produce connection. They're going to try to sell you a world where you don't have to do anything. Let AI write your email. Let AI make your art. Let AI pick your partner. They're selling you atrophy. They're selling you the death of your spirit. Do not buy it. The rebellion starts now, and the rebellion isn't smashing computers. The rebellion is refusing to be a robot. If you want to survive this, you have to become more human than you have ever been. You have to be messy. You have to be chaotic. You have to be unpredictable. AI works on patterns. Break the pattern. Go outside and touch the grass, not for an Instagram photo, but just to feel it. Write a poem that doesn't rhyme just because it hurts to write it. Build something with your hands that is crooked and imperfect. That imperfection, that is your signature. That is the one thing the machine cannot steal. The dark face of AI is only a mirror. It shows us what we lack. It shows us where we have become lazy, where we have become numb. So let it be a wake-up call. Stop scrolling, stop consuming. Stop letting the parasite feed on your anxiety. You are not a data set. You are not a demographic. You are a living, breathing storm of memories and emotions and potential. The machine is a tool. You are the architect. So take your hand, look at it again, make a fist. The future doesn't belong to the ones who can type the best prompt. It belongs to the ones who have the strongest pulse. Don't let the light go out. Stay human.